Top stories. Brown sugar worth rupees 100 crore seized in largest drug bust in Manipur. PCC President Gai Khangam says leaders leave Manipur without a sentinel to stand. And TomTV Deputy Editor Kishore Wankemcha honored at prestigious Rating Awards event in Mumbai. Hello and good evening, I'm ONEL Sambandram giving you the Times of Manipur English News. Now the news in details. Acting on a tip of police busted a brown sugar factory at the house belonging to one Mohammed Matalib of Lilong Dam early this morning. They seized 111.9 kgs of brown sugar worth over rupees 100 crore at the international market. The incident is considered as the biggest drug seizure in Manipur. The operation was conducted by combined team of Narcotics and Affairs of Borders and Thoubal Police led by NAP Additional Superintendent of Police T.H. Brinda, Officer in Charge B. Rishikesh Sharma and Thoubal Additional SP S. Sachitananda under the supervision of SP NAP assisted by volunteers of Anjuman Lilong. 3 persons, namely Samim Pusham, age 35 years, wife of Mohammed Matalib of Lilong Dam, Mohammed Matalib, age 40 years, son of Mohammed Amu of Lilong Dam, and Mohammed Sarajuddin Mohammed, age 29 years, son of Mohammed Ibunga of Lilong Kalaikhong, were arrested in connection with the incident. Several chemicals, equipments and tools used in manufacturing brown sugar were recovered during the operation. A case has been registered at NAB police station and investigations are on.
Adagi Thoubal team led by Sachidananda. See combined teams in a Lilong Dam area, Dagi, a Manipur history, Ahan Boyne am successfully when illegal clandestine brown sugar lab Amaquina Tugai. Tugai River Kenosina, Tugai River Zagazina, Mohammed Matlipki, Yumdani Leramiva laboratory, Siga Marilena, Quina Madlip, Masung Magi, Nupi Samim, Amasung Siras Udin and Amoy Moquina Fare, Aduga, Luina, Quina several equipments, tools, iron plate, Nachingba, Sunu, P, hand gloves, gas cylinder, etc. Simam, we recovered Tore, Sigi Matang, the Quina, Kesama, inhibitor recovered Tore, Fariba brown sugars in a Sigi factories, they haitare 111 900 grams, Unisorokpa, a Quina recovered to it. The case Amadana around Maki Pumanga, Marim Kaimang Tower, any victim, Mamnamu, Sandelum sites, Nugi, Hong Kong, Village Tagi, Miyahum, Kani, Kilo, Mangaga, grams, Samri Mukisang, the Fire do a sea Matanga case, some of when any recovered Animaki investigation away at 2 Matam the Hojaragani.
In another incident, a team of NAP Manipur also arrested 3 persons for possessing 5.46 kgs of opium at Hong Hong Vang under Chakpikarong Police Station of Chandel District. The trio has been identified as Pausen Lal, age 32 years, son of Let Mangswan Pok Tungdim of Gelngai Village, Mangnu Tungdim, age 55 years of Gelngai Village, and Aron Nangsa, age 37 years, son of Kothau Nangsa of DC Lamkai under Chandel Police Station. A case has been registered at NAP Police Station and investigations are underway. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC President Gai Khangam today inquired about the progress of the inquiry committee probing the withdrawal of huge amount of cash for Works and Power Department when Lok Sabha election code of conduct was enforced in the state. He said the state has been left with any sentinel and stand now as all leaders in power have remained focused on power tussle. Gai Khangam, who is also a member of CWC, was speaking at media at Congress Bhavan, Imphal. The Congress already has its voice over the current political scenario within the ruling BJP, but the party has limited its command since the wrangle is purely internal, Gai Khangam asserted. He said that the opposition Congress has been actively voicing its concern when political and financial crisis strike the state. However, he expressed disappointment over the current political situation wherein the leaders have relatively neglected administration due to the infighting within the government arising out of the leadership crisis. All have gone to New Delhi, now leaving behind no one to look after the state, the PCC leader Gai Khangam said. He termed the development very unfortunate. Clarifying a media query, he said all 7 Congress MLAs who have switched side to BJP are still Congress MLAs.
Even Honorable Cabinet Minister saying, "Mi amani dale horga ayam mana mapan thoki baka hai se masi mar hai dait lei taba mali sasonda wakan chang daba mali masa ma tom taki apam baduna mangui na taba mali mas tabi ganu hai dana thamjaki bedo ngasi so amu hanna mafam se thamjani praja singna masi khangna akoi just taw yengi akoi akoi ke mathakta praja leiri haibase masi kaufade haibase akoi bu kahalli ba MLA mantri ohen diri base masi koi ithodang masak khangna akoi miyang seba tawnana ba kahalli bani ni longje madu khangda badongna praja ge akoi da piri responsibility se masi na thaina thamakan da isagi ola pot da oina mak lupsal laga leba kai sunu praja wagi waja sunu ta to bastami se leba ke interest na te state si interest te thamjani.
Journalists from all across the nation had gathered at the Jamset Bhabha Theatre, National Centre for Performing Arts NCPA yesterday for the Mumbai Press Club's annual Red Ink Awards. This year, altogether 32 journalists were honoured out of over 1,000 entries across 15 categories. As a part of the event, a discussion on the theme "Journalism is Dead, Long Live Journalism" was conducted, which was moderated by senior editor of NDTV, Abhishek Sharma, and the panelists include senior journalist Bhakra Dutt, Mumbai Mirror editor Minal Baigal, and Manipur journalist, and also the deputy editor of Tom TV, Kishore Chandra Wankhemcha, who was also felicitated with a memento of appreciation at the prestigious Rating Award 2019 event. In this regard, Wankhemcha said, "I thought it was my duty to bring out the truth. Once I was jailed under the NSA Act, the narratives of my truth in the paper changed." Well, we are heading to a break, but coming up, Chief Minister N. Biren meets National General Secretary Bhupendra Yadav. More after the break.
Singbu mafam chana taru tanana thamnabagidamak laizare nungzengi stainless steel na chanjaba modular kitchen loina na kitchen trolleys amadi makhal kaya gi kitchen rack singsu nungzengi outlet store kaisampat laisom leirak machin mayai lambidagi fangbiragani hena kupamarol gidamak aikogi phone number 9077124214 da contact tawirao.
Hello Pakhong ama chalake
Chalune
Chahi amagi plan tawge haradi
O phau pambi thabiyo
Okay chahi taragi plan tawge haradi
U pambi thabiyo
chahi chamagi plan di
Ichabu afaba school da mahai tamhanbiyo
Icha kaina afaba school haidi
Lanai coaching tawgi awaba lehendaba school du da dum changne na coaching tohonba
Mama paga cha manana warak watembi ba
Gym aerobic dance football thangta
Mamang da 12 exam gi topper su putokhraba
khwaidagi chawba nanba khwaidagi phaba school
Last Pakhong Kari school no
Slopeland Public School Khongjom chumabra
Chumme yam khangi ko
Yes only Slopeland Public School Khongjom
Welcome back after the break. The Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren has called on MP and National General Secretary of BJP Bhupendra Yadav to discuss various issues of Manipur this afternoon. The BJP High Command has entrusted the task of resolving the state government's internal political crisis. Chief Minister of Manipur Nongthombam Biren Singh today extended monetary support to cyclist Rohan Philem, who is embarking on a solo cycling tour from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Kerala. Earlier on 14th of this month, Rohan left Srinagar after being flagged off by the SSP of Srinagar police, and then he reached Delhi, where he will be conducting a series of surveys besides attending press meets before leaving for Agra. Rohan Philem is cycling with the message of water for life. Under the supervision of ONEL MLA and Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakishore, construction of a new inter-village road IVR connecting Oinam and Kaino village is underway in full swing. Notably, this will be one of the most important roads in the area. Speaking to media persons, MLA Radhakishore said it is utmost important to construct new roads as people will face huge traffic congestion in the decade from now due to growing population in the state. The inter-village road construction has been taken up with proactive steps of the locals of Oinam, Yumnam Kaino and Kaino, which face inconveniences in using the Tidim road due to increasing traffic volume. Radhakishore further said a proposal of Rs 4 crore under Prime Minister Gram Sarak Yojana scheme 2019-20 has been submitted to the concerned ministry for the purpose of blacktopping of the road.
The President kada bu sacrifice toge haidu di koi dedicate toge haidu di koi mafam sida ure hena koi government gi side gi thagat chari loina na sumaina tawraga di koi afaba sarkar ma yamna tangtu leta sarkar ma adu praja sing gi yam satisfy oiba lambi da thongda thangna be sing da adu gum nuai ba mafam mo egani satisfy oigani hena aina mayam da phongtok sari ha iroi loiba da ina thamjaning ba se hauji koi government sina su praja gi damak da taseng na thabak se pangthok jarage haidana leibani praja gi site gi sula abani na ekoi marak sida ekoi gi marak ta penadaba haidar ekoi gi marak ta praja sing amongst the peoples amongst the ekoi join together works ekoi tominari basi gi marak ta kana gu mana he penda bana tragi yaning da yorokane matam sida ekoi na kijitang phadana raga wafam si phajana khanara kan da table da putho kan da haidi lam ka po isanu thon bo isanu natragana sen thungi isanu anything lak pase phajana khanaraga ekoi table da akoi sitting akoi khana nei na kan da discussion tora kan da pangtho ga di amakasu hena mai pa ga ni haidar khale loina na praja sing su support to biri se makata na hek amam angam makai support to biro ai gi side gi government side gi di hek ngam makai torani haidana aina ga si mafam sida haije.
Special Judge Pokso Imphal is today sentenced a 26-year-old Seram Chinglin to rigorous imprisonment of 10 years of committing aggravated penetrative sexual assault and rape to a minor inside a restaurant located at Sowombung on March 1, 2016. The conviction order was passed by Special Judge Pokso Imphal S. Maibam Manoj Kumar on June 21, 2019 against Seram Chinglin, 29, son of S. Ingocha of Kurai Angomlikai and sentenced under Section 6 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012. The minor was sexually assaulted by a convict at a restaurant at Sowombung on 11th of March 2016 by offering her cold drink, and she became unconscious after drinking it, and when she regained her sense, she found herself in an undesirable condition. An awareness campaign on water conservation and management cum tree plantation was held at Thongju Part 1 in Imphal today. Around 200 different kind of saplings were planted during the event organized by Thongju Part 1 Gram Panchayat. Members of local clubs, Maira Paibis and students took part in the campaign. Pradhan of Thongju Part 1, Tongbram Lata told Tom TV that the event was organized under the supervision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to conserve water in the surrounding areas for maintaining ecological balance by planting more tree saplings. The campaign also aims to restore every pond water body at the locality so that water could be preserved and saved for everyday use, she added.
Nabagidamagta akoina punna masigi lairiba thongju pawan sigi lairiba mipum khudimang wakhan taminaraga akoina campaigns asi akoi awareness oina mayamda akoi madugi pangthokpa ngamnabagidamagta club organization amadi mera paibi punna akoi kusamnaraga masigi campaign asi akoi sinjaban.
A large quantity of illicit liquor was seized from 3 bootleggers by volunteers of Coalition Against Drug and Alcohol during a drive carried out today at 3 different places: New Chekon, Singjamai, Chingamakha and Bamolekai, Nahabam in Imphal. The bootleggers were identified as Sinam Sanajawu Singh, aged 56 years, of New Chekon, Ningthaujam Hari Singh, aged 46 years, of Singjamai Chingamakha, and Guruaribam Sushil Sharma, aged 53 years, of Bamu Laikai, Nahabam.
Yam thuna government na tawidra na khoi di mafam khudi mangta ngasi tawris maina sidagi hena mawong da khoi tawraki kani aduna punamak mang batak tana isa sing loira bani na khoi di sibana ba khangdana khoi di chongthora da bani aduna hauroi li ba isa sing kandaba ya de haidana khoi punamak chongthora bani tuga khoi advice kya pibja gani maduda moina tawroi de hairangani machinda ngasi tawris na mafam khotei da su mayam phagre adubu tawroi de hairami adubu adum yoli mo yam sitte aduna moise hak pasara ma khoi government na pibi happy haningi police na zo amda thingre makhoi di akhoi na hairaga di moi saurakani moi paisa oina tax lore aduna akhoi simana makse government na yengchandabdagi ni thoi puna makse aduna akhoi di makha ta na sigumba makhan makhan kya akhoi tarokhi gani
Now let's take another short break. Do stay tuned to Times of Manipur for more updates.
Gitam University Visakhapatnam da BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital laizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure: BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility: BSc class 12 pass, physics, chemistry, biology and English 60% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tawbiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tawbirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277. Welcome back. All Manipur Students Union Khangabok branch organized a meritorious Students Award giving ceremony at Lai Lam Thokpa Community Hall, Khangabok Mayai Lekai today. Deputy Commissioner of Thaubal IAS Haubam Roshita Devi, President of MSU Thaubal District Committee K. Haridev Sarma SP of Thaubal, Dr. Surangthim Ibomsa Singh, Commandant of 3rd Battalion, and Herojit Maite, JDO of Thaubal Zone 3 IPS, Arambam Anil Kumar Singh, and Chairman of Private School Development Committee KH Manjor Mangang attended the functions as main guest. During the event, 5th position holder in Commerce stream in Class 12 exam conducted by COSEM Purnima Moirangtham and 19th position holder Rakesh Ningthaujam in Science stream along with 14 other students of Class 12 were fated. 24th position holder in the board examination M. Ranjana along with 15 other students and 3 top students of NEET UZ 2019 are students who got selected for IIT at the national level, 1 international gold medalist in Taekwondo, 1st position holder of recent first mega talent show conducted by Tom TV, Kangabum Sanathoi, and 3 students who scored highest marks from class 10 to 12 were fated by presenting simple clothes, certificates, cash prize, memento to boost their morale. Department of Statistics, Thaubal College observed the 13th National Statistics Day under the theme Sustainable Development Goals at Thaubal College today. Principal of Thaubal College O. Chauba Devi, Head of Department of Statistics L. Ibetoy, and Dr. K.H. Jugindro were the main guests at the event. Floral tributes were also paid to the photo of eminent scientist and statistician Professor Prasant Chandra Mahalanobis during the event. Associate Professor Dr. N. Sarat, as a resource person, spoke on sustainable development goals on the occasion. Some unidentified persons planted an IED at the residential gate of Vice Chancellor of Manipur Technical University, Laifrakpam Tombi in Kanarim Laikai, Kanchipur, Imphal under Singjamai Police Station last night. The bomb was later defused by a team of bomb disposal squad of Manipur Police. According to information received by Tom TV in this regard, last night at around 7, a team of bomb disposal squad and police rushed to Ka El Tombi's residence on learning that a suspicious-looking object was found lying at the residential gate.
which turned out to be a medium-intensity IED. Reportedly, the bomb was defused at around 10 p.m. by a team. As of now, no group has claimed responsibility. Singzamai police station is now investigating the matter. A fresh round of talks between US and the Taliban is to begin in Qatar just days after US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo and Washington is hoping for an Afghan peace agreement before September 1. According to reports, Suhail Shahrian, spokesperson of the Taliban's political office in Doha, informed that talks with US peace envoy Zalmay Khalilzad will begin early this morning. Now it's time for the newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. All but 3 leave for Delhi. Political infighting venue ships to Delhi. Rehar's 7-pay assurance finds no takers. JSC announces casual leave steer. MLA's statement of 2017 PIPs JCLPS. Hubby held as suspect in death of wife. The People's Chronicle. Center likely to decide on leadership crisis soon. NDPP firm on its stand on ILP. Criticizes BJP leader over PIL in Supreme Court. Center 6 views of states. High courts on judicial service. JSC to launch mass casual leave steer on July 1-2 over Central Pay Commission. Imphal Free Press. Central intervention likely to resolve state government crisis soon. IMOL community allegedly deprived of medical facilities. Vets never came even during recent outbreak, says IMOL chief. JCILPS demands clarification. Engineer clarifies on halting of road construction. The Morning Bell. Yadav seeks views from Chief Minister, Ministers and MLAs to submit report to High Command. Solution to state political crisis very soon. JCILPS versus Speaker Khamsan for anti-ILP statement. Seeks clarification. Cops rescue 3 minor girls from city at Palel. China School of Medicine confers MBBS degree to 8 Manipuri students. Manipur Mail. Congress leaders looking for their new president from South. Partisan a historical mistake, says Amit Shah. Congress will come back to power in 2023, says Meghalaya Congress leader. Hyderabad. Juvenile sentenced to life imprisonment for rape, murder.
And before we wind up the top stories once again. Brown sugar worth rupees 100 crores seized in largest drug bust in Manipur. PCC President Gai Khangam says leaders leave Manipur without a sentinel to sing. And Tom TV Deputy Editor Kishore Chand Wankimsa honored at prestigious Rating Awards event in Mumbai. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Times of Manipur.